Proudest moment in Mika. When I volunteered to be as one of Chef Snap assistant in baking. As I remember, it was last February 2024. It is a graduation of MMMA held in Cavite. It was a big event. We baked tons of whole wheat bread, walnut bread, and lavash. By that time, he was surprised that I know what I'm doing, like I understand what he's portraying, what to do next, and how to do it properly. And there's this time when he saw a potential in me, he let me lead the group, and when I'm the only student left, because others took a break ahead of me, he said, "May potential ka," while pointing his fingers like this, and said, "Magaling, magaling," while his head rocking and his face showing of approval, and the other chef smiled at me for doing a great job.